Yeah. So today what we will do, as part of our last class, right? What we did, we have written one simple hello world program and we did installation of JDK and we configured all those things, correct?
Yeah, and also I would like to mention one more thing.
Uh-huh.
I didn't receive any files from Sudhir,
Oh, you didn't receive any videos?
any videos. I asked him like twice, and he's saying that he asked you to give the access to download, I mean, record the video.
So you okay. Okay, fine. Yeah, fine, no problem.
So I think it is better if you send me directly.
Yeah, I can send. The problem is I can send it, but
Uh,
what he's telling, I should not share my details to you. That's what he's telling. That's what. Otherwise, I can send. It's not a problem. Okay, I'll
okay,
send
but
the
he is
videos.
not sending.
Yeah, that's okay,
Okay.
fine. I'll send videos to you. You just share your
Mm-hmm.
email ID. I will send that videos after this class. All the videos.
Yeah. Yeah.
There is a
Okay.
chat.
Because I'm not able to contact you at all, even though if I have any problems with my system also, I was
Correct.
not able to send a message. Yeah.
Yeah, you just. I'll give my number. You, if you will ask, no, say like I don't have any contacts with Manohar. Okay.
Yeah. Mm.
You can take.
I don't tell him.
Yeah. So that's what I didn't give. Otherwise, I can give.
Mm.
So this is my number, and WhatsApp.
Okay.
You can send message. I can respond at any time. And the videos and all that
Okay.
I will upload in your YouTube or Google Drive. I will share the link with you so that you can see from anywhere at any time.
Okay.
The videos will be there forever.
Okay.
So that videos will not be removed. So you can watch at any time.
Mm.
Okay,
Okay.
or you just give me your email ID so that I can able to send the links to you.
Yeah.
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 So then today what we will do, we will see that Eclipse part. So as part of last class, just we did manually, I mean, create a Java file, and by using Java C, we compiled it and we generated that class, and by using Java
Mm.
command, we have executed, correct?
Mm.
So that's what we did so far. So now today what we are going to do, so we are going to download Eclipse and we are going to write the same program what we did in the last class by using Eclipse, so that we will see what is the difference without Eclipse and with Eclipse.
Mm.
Okay, and now I'll give you the link from where you can able to download the Eclipse. Yeah, fine. Okay, now the link is Eclipse. So Eclipse also we have so many versions. Like Java we have versions, right? Like 1.1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, correct? And
Mm.
similarly for Eclipse also we have different versions. So we will see that versions also. Just a minute. We will not spend much time. Just you will see at least, how many versions are there. What are the different versions. What is the basic difference between these versions.
Mm.
Yes, so this is the link which will give you all the Eclipse software versions and when it was released. We see the right first Eclipse was released in 2004 and the version name they
Yeah.
are telling 3.0.
Mm.
Okay, this is the version number and this is the year and these are the names they are giving for every version. Like if you see, right,
Mm.
Android also we have name plus version, correct? KitKat, they are
Yes.
releasing so many versions along with the name, correct? The similarly,
Yeah.
we have from 3.0 to the latest version is 4.7, and the latest version name is Oxygen, and it was released in to 28th June recently only. Okay, this is
Yeah.
about eclipses and why we need these many versions. So like yesterday we discussed, right, like we have JDK 1.2 to 1.5, 4, 6, 7, 8, correct?
Mm.
Say for instance, if you want to work with Java 8, so you need minimum Eclipse version is 4.4. So if you see here, right, integrated Java 8 support.
Yeah.
So in 4.3, in older version, Java 8 will not work.
Okay.
So you need minimum 4.4 onwards, Java 8 will work. That we will see
Okay.
how it will make difference. So these are the versions, and these are the releases, these are the names.
Mm.
So why I'm telling you this one now, if you say I know Eclipse, I'm using Eclipse, they will ask immediately what version you are using. Then you should say
Yeah.
these names: Luna, Mars, Neon, Oxygen, some valid
Mm.
version. So that's what I'm telling.
Mm.
I mean these
Okay.
versions, just I'm giving some idea,
Mm.
and you can keep this link with you, and you can refer if any at any time. Okay, now go back to the download part. So to download the Eclipse, if you see here, right, so there is a software link called eclipse.org/download, and it is free of cost. You no need to pay anything. You just download and you can use it.
Mm.
And this is the latest version, Oxygen. So to download this one, if you see here, right, just click on
Yeah.
download and it will download the file. So what it will give? It will give a zip file. Just try to download. It is trying to download.
Mm.
And it's free of cost. You no need to pay anything. It's not a, I mean, licensed base, and it was developed by IBM.
Mm.
Yes. In the similar way, we have so many old versions also, correct? So to download the old versions, what we have to do, so you just go to the same URL, eclipse.org, under download you will get all the older versions.
Could you send me the link?
Yeah, sure. And before, I want to tell you one more point. See, we have so many operating systems, right? So based on your operating system, yours is Windows or Mac or Linux or Windows, based on that you can download, you can click the link and you will get the corresponding zip file. Yes, I sent you this link. So say for instance, now currently I'm using Windows operating system and 64-bit. So you just click it out. So here I want to highlight one point. So if you see here, right, till 4.7 is a exe file. Before, all older versions are just zip file, means you no need to install, it's just download and use it. You no need to install like how you install Java. So that is the basic
Okay.
difference between 4.7 and older versions. I
Okay.
downloaded both now. I downloaded 4.7 and other some old version also. You see here, right, so this is one Eclipse, it's already downloaded. So it is a
Okay.
exe file. You see
Okay.
this one?
Uh, yeah, I can see.
It is a,
But could you send me the oxygen link too?
yeah, Oxygen link, yes. So you can
Mm.
download the latest one itself. Yes, this is Oxygen.
Mm.
So Oxygen is a exe file and all other old versions are like a SDKs. SDK means you no need to install, you just download and you keep somewhere wherever you want and you can use it. You no need to do
Mm-hmm.
quick installation. That kind of steps are not required. So that is the basic
Mm-hmm.
difference between Oxygen and other old versions. And the
Okay.
size of exe file is very less, whereas SDK file size is more. If you see here, right, 259 MB, and if you see the exe file, the size is very less, and the size is approximately 47 MB. So that is one of the difference. So you can use any version, there is no issue. All the versions having same kind of features almost. You will not see much difference. So let it download. It still is saying 25 minutes, 34 minutes. Okay, once it is downloaded, so how it look like, I have already downloaded some of the versions. I'll show you.
Mm-hmm.
So let me connect because it is taking more time. So it's very easy, you no need to install anything here. I'll show you how it look like, how to use it. Did you use Eclipse before or not?
I used it.
So you used it, right? Okay,
Yeah.
then it's good. So I have already downloaded the Eclipse and go for training. Yes, so I have already downloaded the Eclipse, and if you download the Eclipse, so you will get like this
Mm.
Eclipse, and you will get zip files like this
Okay.
Eclipse, Mars, Juna. So this is the one I downloaded just now. It is already, I
Mm.
mean, download is happening. So what is
Mm.
happening if you finally you will get a zip file? What you have to unzip this one.
Mm.
If you unzip this one, it is taking more time. You just download and just unzip it.
But should I install a Luna also?
Anyone is fine. That is up to you. The basic
Yeah.
difference is that is the one. So
Okay.
and one is JDK version and another one is this is the exe file. See all this
Mm.
from 4.4 onwards, 4.4 to 4.8, it will support JDK8. You can
Okay.
download any one version.
Okay. Okay. So
And
you just downloaded Luna to show me
correct,
like
yes,
a
you can
memory.
download. Yes, you can
Okay.
download any one as per your wish.
Okay. Mhm.
Okay, if you download it and you will get a zip file and you can unzip it. If you unzip it and you will see the folder structure like this.
Mhm.
So you no need to install anything, you just unzip, and if you unzip and you open the folder structure, you will see here there is an icon called Eclipse, correct? And you
Yeah.
just click it and you will see a thin window, it will open.
Mhm.
Yes, so once after that it will open this window. So what is this here, right? So we need to create projects, right?
Yeah.
So all these projects, in which location you want to save it in your machine,
Mhm.
C drive, D drive, or F drive, wherever. So that is the location, this
Okay.
one. So where I want to save the locations, I mean the projects what we are going to type. So under training, I'm going to create a folder called, this is batch number 12, batch underscore 12. So under batch 12, and let me create a folder called core Java. So this is a just folder structure. So basically all the programs today onwards whatever I'm going to type, so that I want to save
Mm.
under training batch 12 core Java.
Mm.
So this is the location of my projects. Just you select the location or you can browse as per your wish and click OK.
Mm.
So yes, once you had given the your workspace location or your project location, then it will open like this. It is a welcome window. So just it
Mm.
is telling some overview and what is Eclipse, some samples, some tutorials, and what is the new of this tool, all those things. If you want to know something about Eclipse, you can read it. You can click and you can read it. Okay, there is some information it will give to you. Okay, then you can
Okay.
close the welcome window. If you close the welcome window, you will see panels like this. It's a left panel, center, and right panel, and below something. Okay, now what we want to do? We want to write a simple hello world program by using Eclipse. Okay,
Mm.
so for that what we have to do, and there is a one precondition before using the Eclipse. The precondition is you have to install Java in your machine. Otherwise you are not able to
Yeah.
open this window itself. You have to install Java, then only you can click this Eclipse icon. Correct? So this is one of the important
Okay.
point. You
Yeah.
have to install
Mm.
Java, then download Eclipse, and you can click this
Mm.
Eclipse icon. Then you will get this
Mm.
window. Okay?
Yeah.
So,
Okay.
so now what we want to do, we are going to write a simple Java program, correct? So how to
Mm.
write that program? So first step is, if you see here, write file. If you click the file, you will get a option called new, and go to new and just go to other. File, new, other. So here, what kind of project you want to create? I want to create a simple Java project, correct? So select
Yeah.
here Java project. Next. So before
What is that?
Java
Yes,
project,
you have. Okay, we have installed the Java. Is that one?
this is basically what I'm yesterday before creating, I was created the project under test 123, correct?
Yeah.
So this is our project name,
Mm.
test 123, correct? Under that we have
Yeah.
files, correct?
Yeah.
First.java. So here the project name is test 123. So this is the project name and this is the files, correct?
Mm.
So here also we need to create some project with some name, correct? I'm creating the project of type Java project. The name is this is the one.
Okay. Okay. So
Sample
in
pro.
Notepad we gave .java. Yeah.
Correct. So this is our project name, sample program. So this is our first program. Sample program is our project name, correct?
Mm.
Then finish it. Just say OK. Yes, that's all. So this is your project. Your project is ready. Now we have to create the Java file, correct?
Mm.
Okay. Now if we expand this one, you will see here SRC. There is a folder called SRC.
Mm.
So inside this SRC, we have to write our Java files. Like yesterday we have written, right?
Yeah.
First.java, correct?
Mm.
So now here we don't want to create any text file. So I want to create .java file directly under SRC. How to create it? Right click. So you will get this window. Go to new and go to other class. Just type class. Select Java class. And next, what is the class name you want to give? you need to give the name over here. So I want to give the class name is first, correct? And finish it. And if you see here, right, first.java file is created, correct?
Yes.
First.java file is created and this is the file, and public class first. So public is a keyword and we need to create a class with the same name as file name, correct?
Yeah.
The class and the class name is first and the file name is same, and open bracket and close bracket. So this is the class syntax, correct? And
Yeah.
public is a keyword, we will see that one later, and this is the class is a keyword and class name is first, open bracket and close bracket. So after that, what we have written yesterday, public static void main, correct? So here also you can type public static void main, inside that string args, open bracket close bracket, correct? So this is what yesterday we have written, right? If you open the file, I mean you will see the same content inside this first, correct?
Should we put those brackets after the string?
Here no, we should not keep. So this is a main is a method, correct? Method is open bracket and close bracket.
Uh,
So inside that, this is called as an arguments. So main is a method name and a starting bracket, closing bracket, and these are the arguments. Once the method declaration is done, then we have to do open bracket and close bracket. So this is open bracket and this is close bracket. Okay?
Yeah, but actually, yesterday I have tried some programs.
Mm-hmm.
So I have written this code.
Mm-hmm.
So it worked. I don't know. It displays the result. I put the brackets after string.
You have written this program. Right.
Okay, can you see it?
Once I'm opening. Yes, I got this. Yes, this is what yesterday you have written, right?
Yeah.
You can close it. Public class even odd number, correct?
Yeah.
And if you see here, right, can you able to see the screen? Public
Yes.
static void main string args close bracket. After that, you have written the starting bracket.
Yes, but I'm asking about these brackets. After strings, I have kept the two
Oh, so
brackets.
these brackets, right? So that is a
Yeah.
Java variables declaration that I will tell you later.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So we can put brackets
Yes. Before or
after
later.
string and
Both are same. Either you
okay.
can keep here. I was
Okay.
thinking about flower brackets. Both are same.
No. No.
So
Okay.
this is a variable declaration that I will tell you as part of next concept.
Okay.
So after this, I want to tell you variable declaration, and I want to tell you the loops for loop, if condition, while loop, do while, all those things. That is the third topic. So these are variables. So for timing, you can consider this one either you can keep here or both are same.
Okay.
After that, close bracket, open bracket, close bracket. So inside that you can write whatever you want to say. For instance, if you want to display some information to the user, system dot out dot println, and you can write here, hi, how are you? So this is the message I want to display to the user, correct? So this message I want to display. So our
Yeah.
program now it is ready, correct? Our program is ready. And yesterday what we did, after writing the program, we have executed java space first.java, and Java
Yeah.
C. We have executed some commands, right?
Yes.
So here you no need to execute any commands. So what you have, if you want to see the results of this program, you just right click and you will get this menu, and here there is an option called run as. Did you see this one?
Yeah.
Run as, and you select a Java application and select it. Then it will run and it will show you the results.
Mm.
See here, how are you? You are getting
Okay.
the response, right?
Mm.
So here we are not
Mm.
at all executing any commands. Did you see? Correct?
Yeah.
So here we are no need to execute any command.
Okay.
So window show you. Yes. So this is our program, and under src we have our .java file, correct?
Mm.
So whether you are using Eclipse or Notepad, but ultimately we need .class file, correct?
Yeah.
So here also .class file is will generate. So where is that generated .class file? So that will be there under bin folder.
Okay.
Did you see this one? This is your Java file and this is your
Mm.
.class file.
Mm. Okay.
So whether you are using Eclipse or whatever Notepad, finally we need to generate a .class file. So how this .class file is generating? Who will generate this one? We are not executing any Java C command, right?
Yeah.
So
Mm.
whenever you are running this one, right? So say for instance, now I want to add something, one more question mark. Did you see this one? This file is modified, and did you see here star?
Yeah.
So whenever you are doing save, whenever you are pressing Control S, what will happen,
Mm.
whenever you are pressing Control S, so this Eclipse, what it will do, backend side, it will execute Java C command and it will recreate the first .class file. It will regenerate this file.
Okay. Mm.
This file will be regenerated by Eclipse. So we no
Mm.
need to execute any command. So Eclipse will create this first dot class file based on your
Mm.
Java file, and it will keep under bin folder.
Mm.
So 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 that is the way this dot class file will be created. So now whenever I am running this one, how to run? Right click, go to run as Java application. Then what it will do? Eclipse will run Java command and it will provide the results to us here. So backend side Eclipse internally it is using Java C and Java command. And if you
Mm.
see here, right, do you see here D colon installation JDK JRE bin.
Yeah.
So Eclipse also will refer your Java installation.
Mm.
That's what I told, right? Before opening the Eclipse, you should install the Java first.
Java.
Otherwise, you are not able to open the Eclipse. It will not allow you to open. It will say Java home doesn't found.
Mm.
That is one
Okay.
of the prerequisition of Eclipse.
Mm.
It is clear, right, so far?
Yeah. I understand.
So this is the first simple program, how to write and how to display message.
Mm.
Okay, now I will write second program. So I want to write second Java program. Again, what to do? Go file, Java program, variable demo. The second one is how to declare variables and all ILCs. So this is my project name, and next
Okay.
and finish it. So your project is ready. So this is your second project.
Mm.
So all this project where it will be saved, it will be saved under your, this is the location, training batch number 12 core Java sample program and variables demo. So here is your projects. You open it
Mm.
and you can see here, sorry, variables demo nothing is there, sample program src. So this is your Java file.
Mm.
Now come back to your Eclipse. So this is your second program. Okay, so here also I want to create simple Java file. How to create it? Right click, new, go to other and type class and select Java class. Next, what is your class name? I'm giving class name is variables demo. So you can give anything, correct?
Mm.
And finish
Yeah.
it. Yes. Now here I need to write public static void main, correct?
Yeah.
So every time public static void main, it's a very big one, right? It's
Yes.
difficult to write. So for that, what I am trying to, I will tell you one shortcut. Just type main and control spacebar. Just type main and control spacebar. You will get this option. Select it.
Okay.
It will generate this code. So you no need to
Yeah.
type every time. So just main. So I will show you again. So just type main, control spacebar shortcut, and just click on this. So this code will be generated for you.
Mm. Okay.
So you don't need to generate every time public. You don't need to write public static void main.
Mm.
Okay. As part of previous example, if you want to display some information to the user, we have to write system.out.println, correct?
Yeah.
So this is the, so here you can pass information and that will be displayed to the users, correct?
Mm.
Now what I want to do, I want to declare some variables. What is the purpose of variables? Integer age equal to 10. So here, so we have data are so many types, right? Like we have, if I will ask you what is your name, you will say your name is in characters, correct?
Yeah.
SHILP is a character. If I will ask age, right? Age is a integer number, correct? It is not a
Integer.
character. So to hold
Mm.
the data, we have different types, correct? Age is a
Mm.
integer and name is a string,
String.
correct? So this is
Mm.
name and this is age. Did you see this one? So this is called data
Yeah.
types, string and integer.
Mm.
So this is the way
Mm.
to declare integer and some name, string, name and value. This
Mm.
age name is called as a variables and integer string is called as a data types. Say for instance,
Yeah.
now I want to say current amount. If I say what is the dollar value current, I mean for today, for that float 64.1234, because for dollars we need to consider till 4 decimal points. See here I want to add decimal points, so we need to go for float. For age, right, if someone will ask what is your age, you say 10 years, 12 years, 13 years. You cannot say 10.5 years, 10.1 years, right?
Yes.
So this is, there is no decimals. In that case, you go for integer. If still, if you want to mention decimals, then you can go for float
Mm.
and you can assign the numbers. So these are the variables and these are the variables and these are the values. So this is the way to declare the variables. So why we need these variables? I will tell you. So now I want to display some information. System dot out dot println. So my name is. So my name is, I want to display, after that I want to display the name, correct? So to display the
Mm.
name, what is my name? Name. So you copy that
Name.
variable name. So use plus symbol and display it. Did you see this one variable we are using here, correct?
Mm.
Now how to run this program? Right click,
Run as
then
Java
you will see.
application.
Yes. See here my name is ABC. So here that is the advantage of variable. It can able to hold the value for temporarily,
Mm.
correct?
Mm.
So ABC, now I will give PQR. I changed the variable value. So still the variable name is same. Now I will run back again. See here my name is PQR, correct?
Yeah.
So that is the advantage of variables. Okay. Integer,
Mm.
string, float. Now say for instance I want to save one of the value called true or false. How to save these kind of values? So there is a value called boolean flag equal to true or false. You see this one, true or false. So this is the data type and this is the variable and this is the value. Whether you can give true or you can give the false. Correct?
Yes.
It's clear, right, so far?
Yeah, it is.
Okay, now say for instance, now I want to save only one character. Did you see this one? So gender
Yes.
is one character, right? Sometime you will mention male or female. So gender I'm
Mm-hmm.
considering I want to save only single character. So in that case you can go for char data type and variable name and value.
Yep.
It is clear, right, so far?
Yeah.
Okay. Now there is a question. So far we are saying single value, correct?
Yeah.
Age we are saving one age and one name we are saving. $1
Mm-hmm.
value we are saying. One value we are saying. Now my question is I want to save 10 student ages. 10
Mm-hmm.
people student ages I want to save. How to save that one? So
Array.
yes, correct. So how to declare array? Integer ages. So symbol, array symbol is this one and you can
Mm-hmm.
assign. So I want to save 10 people, correct? For 10 people first student age is 10 and second student age is 14, 30, like that you can n number of people. So this is
Mm-hmm.
called arrays so that I can able to save more than one value. And how to declare array? Data type, variable name, and this is array symbol. Either you can use array
Yeah.
symbol whether here or you can keep here, both are same. So that's what you were
Okay.
asking previously.
Yeah. Yeah.
That is correct. And so both are same.
Mm-hmm.
So this is the array declaration. Either you can follow anyone, both are same.
Mm-hmm.
So here also we have a data type and here also we have a data type. Here also we have a variable name. Here also we have a variable name and here also we have a values. Array symbol you can keep wherever you want. It is clear.
Yeah.
So this is the way to declare the variables, and if you want to use the variable you can use like this. My name is, say for instance my name is name and I want to display and gender is, so what is the gender variable, correct?
Cat.
You can copy
Gender.
this one
Mm.
and you can display it. Now run the program. Do you see this one? My name is PQR and my gender is M, correct?
Mm-hmm.
so
Yes.
So this is the way we can declare the variables and we can able to assign the value and we can able to use it, correct?
Mm-hmm.
It is clear, right?
Yeah.
How to declare the variables and how to use it. Now we'll go for one more example for some loops, conditions, all those things. So this is clear, right? How to declare variables.
Yes.
Okay, now we'll go for one more another program, conditionals or loops demo. So I'm going to write another Java program. File, new Java project and finish it. So this is the third project And under SRC, so far we have not written any Java files, empty. If there is no Java files, and bin folder also empty, correct?
Mm.
So under SRC, I'm going to write class. So every time what we are doing, we are going to file, new, and we are going to others, and we are typing class, right?
Yeah.
So you no need to do like that. So right click, new, and if you see here class, did you see here there is a class, correct?
Yes.
You can select directly and you will get this window, and you can give your class name.
Yeah.
Loops demo. So this is loops demo is my class name, correct? And so it will generate one Java file, correct?
Mm-hmm.
So along with the Java file, I want the default method public static void main. So if you see here, there is a checkbox here.
Yes.
Checkbox and public static void main. You select this checkbox and click on finish. Did you see this one? So it is created a
Mm-hmm.
class and it is created default method also. So for time being,
Method. Yeah.
a default method. And for time being, you can remove these lines. So here we saved some time, right?
Yeah.
It created class and it created default method. So this is the advantage of Eclipse, correct?
Mm.
Okay, now I will explain you some of the loops, conditional loops and all. Okay, say for instance, integer age equal to 10, correct? So I declare a variable
Mm.
and I assign the age is 10, correct?
Yeah.
Okay, now there is a condition. If the student age is less than 10, I want to say should not allow for class.
Mm.
If the student age is greater than 10, then I will allow the student for classes, correct?
Mm. Mm.
So I want to display that kind of statement. Now what should we display for the student? Does the student is eligible for class or not?
Mm.
He is less than 10. Consider this student age is 9. So this 9 is less than 10, correct?
Yeah.
So we need to display the student is not eligible for classes, correct?
Mm.
So how this is happening here? We are seeing this value and we are saying this message. So I want to
Mm.
write a conditional statement. So how to write that one?
Mm.
If age is less than 10, what I want to display to the user? Student is not
I
eligible
think
for class.
student is
Not
not
eligible.
reachable for class.
Okay,
Yeah.
that is a message. So how we are displaying message? System.out.println, correct?
System. Yeah.
So every time it is very difficult to write that much lengthy message, correct? System.out.println, correct?
Mm.
So there is a shortcut. So write, just remember this one, SYSO. Just type like this, SYSO, and press Control space bar.
It's
You
control.
will get this one. So how to get this one? SYSO
SYISO
and
control space bar.
yes, then you will get this one. Then you can write here,
Okay.
student is not eligible for classes, correct?
Yeah.
If age is less than 10, I want to display this message. If age is greater than 10, what I want to display? Else. That will go to the else block.
Mm.
So just copy the same thing, Control C and paste it here. So student is eligible, correct?
Mm.
If age is less than 10, say not eligible. If age is greater than 10, student is
Eligible.
correct.
Eligible.
So now your program is ready, correct?
Mm.
How to run this one? Right click,
Run as
run as Java application.
Java.
See here, what is displaying message?
Student is not eligible
For classes,
for
correct?
classes.
Now let me give the student age is 11. Now what is the output we are expecting?
We are expecting student is eligible for class.
Yes. So the value every time we are changing the value, and this logic we will never change, correct? That is a standard
Mm.
logic. Only
Mm.
different
But
student age we will pass, and we will expect the some results. So now go and
mm.
run it back. Student is eligible for classes, correct?
Mm.
It is clear, right? This if condition.
Yes, it is.
Okay, now I will give one more example. Okay, so now I want to give one more example for, say for instance, integer student marks 90, 93, 96, comma 70. So these are the student marks, correct?
Mm.
So what I want to do, I want to display the student marks over here. How to display the numbers? How to read these numbers? So to read these elements, we have a concept called looping. So how to read these elements? So there is a for loop for integer I equal to 0, I less than marks dot length I plus plus. So here if you see the this for loop, let me show the line numbers. We see the line number 18. Can you able to see this one?
Yes, I can
So
see.
what I want to do here, I want to print the each student mark I want to display here in the console.
Mm.
So to display or to read the list, right? So we are going to use for loop. So for is a keyword integer I equal to 0, I less than marks dot length. So what it will give, how many elements are there in the array?
4.
4, correct? So the marks dot length will give you 4. Initially we have
Mm.
declared a variable and we assigned the value is 0, correct?
Yeah.
After that we are checking a condition I less than 4. True, right?
Mm.
I is 0,
Mm.
0 is less than 4, correct?
Mm.
So this is
Yeah.
the true, and it will come inside the for loop, and I want to display student mark. So how to display some message? SYSO, correct? Control space
Yes.
mark.
Yeah. Mm.
I want to display mark colon. So I want to read first student marks. So how to read it? So what is the reference variable? Marks, correct?
Mark.
Marks of I. So first time this variable is I, and it will check 0 less than 4
Ah,
true,
okay. Mm.
okay, and it
Yeah.
will come inside and we are reading 0 student marks
Mm.
90, and next time it will go to the, it will increment the I plus plus. I plus plus means, so I is initially 0, plus plus it will become 1,
Mm.
correct? So second
Yeah.
student marks, like that it will keep on repeat, and it will print the all the student marks. Did you see this one?
Yeah.
We can able to see all the student marks, right?
Mm.
So this is the way we can use for loop to print the array elements.
Mm.
It is clear, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So now if you see here, this one also it is displaying, but this example I don't want to run. So what you will do, if
Mm.
you don't want to execute any number of lines, you select all the lines, or you can comment it out. How to comment it out?
Start.
So these lines will not execute now. This code is a kind
Mm.
of dead code. So now run
Mm.
it. Did you see student eligible?
No.
So if you want to activate this code again, You remove this. So this is called like a commenting.
Mm.
So you just do this one, so that piece of lines will be commented.
Mm.
So whenever you need it, you remove these lines, and these lines will be deactivated, and this code also will start working. Correct?
Okay. Yeah.
It is clear, right, so far?
Yes.
Okay, and this is if condition and some for loop, and tomorrow we will see and do and while. So we will see some more loops tomorrow.
Yeah. Okay. I want to tell you that tomorrow and until Sunday I won't be at home.
Okay,
So can we skip those three classes and shall we continue on Monday?
so you will not be there on Friday, Saturday.
Friday, Saturday, and Sunday.
Okay, then you will be connecting on Monday evening
Yeah.
in India time, I'm telling. Correct?
Yeah. India time, same time.
Monday evening means for you Saturday morning, Sunday morning.
No, no, no. I'm not living in US.
You will be there. Okay, just tell me, you can able to see the calendar, right now?
Yeah, I can see it.
Now yours is
So
Friday morning,
Friday,
correct?
no, Friday evening,
Yeah.
8:30.
Oh, sorry. Yeah, correct. Yeah,
3.5 hours difference.
2:30. Right now yours time. Yeah.
Mm.
Mm-hmm. Okay. So we will connect on Monday, same time, correct?
Yeah, Monday on Monday, same time.
Yeah. Or else if there is any plan change, I mean you have my number, right? You just message me. Okay.
Yeah, sure, sure.
Just message me, and you have already
Mm.
shared that your what is this? Your email
Email
ID, right?
address.
So I will
Yeah.
send you that the videos to you.
Okay. Yeah.
I will send you the
Uh,
videos, and you can have a look.
okay. Could you send me yesterday Sunday
Yeah, I
before
will send now
yesterday?
itself. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, after this class, I will send you that videos. You can have a look. Okay.
Oh, yeah, okay. And also, with whom I have to discuss these fees and everything?
Fees, Sudhir will talk to you.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah, you just ask him the fee, how much you need to pay, all those things. He knows.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay.
And
Then,
don't tell like I have Manohar details, and then again you will ask. You just ask him how much you need to pay, when need to pay, all those things. He will tell you.
yeah. Okay. Okay. Sure.
Okay.
I don't tell.
Yeah,
Yeah.
sure, fine. Yeah,
But
thanks.
it is good to have at least some mail ID or
Yeah,
something.
you just
Then
keep
only
with you,
I
fine.
can.
Yeah, you just let me know if there is any
Yeah.
plan change.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay.
Because I can't disturb him in the middle of the night.
Sure, sure.
Sometimes he will. He. Yeah.
Correct. Yes, you are
That's
correct.
right.
Fine, you can keep with you, no problem. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, sure, fine. Yeah, thanks.
Okay. Yeah.
Thanks. Bye.
Sure. Thank you. Bye.